to fall in love with her. Not once, not twice, but 3 times over this lifetime. The first time that I met her was May 3, 2007. I remember that joy I had whenever I'm with her and just wanting to be with her all the time. Whether it be carrying her bag in our out-of-the-country tapings dahil sobrang bigat mag-impake ni tita, or paglalagay ng band-aid sa sugat na mas maliit pa sa langgam para lang magkaroon tayo ng moment together, or para lang mapakita ko sa'yo na love kita. We were 9, 10 years old back then, pero kahit sobrang taray mo sa akin, dinadalahan ko pa rin siya ng cream puff habang umuulan dahil alam kong paborito niya ito. I didn't knew it back then, but looking back, it was definitely more than just a crush. And the second time was in 2018 when God gave us a chance to be in a relationship. That's when I met the different side of Mariko, the compassionate, kind, and loving Mariko.